Yo, what is up, guys? Steel Vico here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. This one's going to be a bit shorter, and I just decided to record it on my phone. Not quite as substantial. I kind of just didn't feel like, setting the whole camera up and everything, and I'm going to try to work some things out, because some of the videos you might have seen, while I know I pre-recorded them, I did want to upload them, but I felt that the focus and the, camera quality wasn't great. So I'm just going to record it on my phone. It's a little easier to control until I can figure out how to get the rest of the future videos that I'm recording as of now, in focus. So I'm not sure where this is going up. There's a small possibility this might be on Instagram instead, but who knows. But we're going to open this up. It's going to give way to a different video that I'm going to make, another shorter one that's going to be on my YouTube. Obviously, I ripped the address stuff off, but the box did come kind of beat up, so I don't know if that was in part of the guy who sent it to me, or in part of, the how it was sent, like the whole process. But anyway, let's open it up. Another eBay item I bought. Like I said, I have a little money, and I found this, and I decided to get it. I negotiated the price down a little bit. And yeah, so let's open it up. Hopefully it's what I think it is. And here we go. We've got the bride, another bride skeleton. This will be the second one I own. However, this one came in its original packaging, which is really cool. While the one my grandma got me also came, or my grandma's one also came in its original packaging. This one is still sealed, which I think is really cool. I'm probably going to keep it that way. But it's just kind of cool that we've got kind of a look at the dressed up skeletons in their original form. And as you can see, the finish on this is a lot closer to, the ones that my grandma got versus the one that Haunt World got me, or the Janglin Bones that I got off eBay, or the dressed up skeleton groom. Now I'm going to do a more in-depth video just kind of talking about the packaging, or how they're packaged, and just kind of give my thoughts. Maybe might be a shorter video. It's just kind of an unboxing, and then I'm going to give my thoughts at a later time. So yeah. Thanks for watching.